Welcome to our last notebook adventure from September. Soon we'll start the October challenge, so don't forget to subscribe. Today we are doing peaches. We are using the Koh-i-Noor Hardmouth Brilliant watercolors. These are school grade watercolors, but they are okay. In the video you can see some peach shapes that you can use for the drawing, for the base of our paint. The best advice is to always practice. Try different shapes, practice your blending, practice your texture. Today we use the light yellow, orange, a red, and then a darkish brown in more on a cool tone. The easiest way to fix a mistake is by using a clean brush or just a damp paper, and basically you are going to gently press on the mistake so it can absorb the color. For the inside of the peaches we are going for soft transitions instead of hard edges. When you are painting peaches, make sure that the color is more deep as you approach the skin of the peach. Fun fact, did you know there are more than 300 types of peaches? Some highlights on the curves of the peaches. Build your layers. I like to add a little bit more of red. The leaves are the fun part. Just enjoy and play around. I like to use a light green and a dark green. As the painting dries, add more and more details according to your liking. I have some videos on color theory that I think are very helpful for this exercise that we are doing next. So basically peaches are yellow, orange, red. I think my painting went more on the orange direction, so I wanted to choose opposite color from the color wheel, which in this case is blue, to make a higher contrast and make the painting really pop. When using tape, make sure everything is really dry, and if needed, use a hair dryer just to make the glue from the tape a little bit more soft, and then peel it off. That's it for today. This was our last painting of the September notebook. I'll see you for the October challenge.